guys, welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna and today we're going to make baked feta pasta. So I did this for my photo shoot a couple of weeks ago, and I honestly did not expect that it would turn out so delicious. It's freaking delicious. So I didn't even check the recipe that's out there. I know that there are a few simple ingredients that are pasta, tomatoes, and feta, and I added garlic, like just whole garlic cloves, and fresh thyme, and lots of olive oil, and it turned out absolutely fantastic. All right, let's do that. All right, guys, this is the easiest thing to do. So you take the feta, any kind of feta block that you have and you can find, and you put it in the middle, and then you take your tomatoes, and I love those tomatoes, are so beautiful and so juicy, and I'm just gonna put them just like that, not even washing, and just to give a little kind of different size or character, I'm gonna add those tomatoes and then whole garlic cloves, because they are actually the best when you roast them in the olive oil. Oh my god, and then you squeeze them, they are the best. So you don't even need to peel that. How easy is that? All right, let's just make it pretty. And we need fresh thyme, because I just love fresh thyme. And add that just like that. Not even, do we need salt and pepper? Let's just sprinkle a little bit of pepper, and just a little bit of salt over my tomatoes, and then we're going to drench it in olive oil. Lots of olive oil, because then we're going to cook the pasta and it will create this beautiful, glossy, delicious sauce. Okay, so just about like maybe half a cup of olive oil will be good, right? I'm not measuring anything. You already know that. Let's go. Woo! Hot. 475. 35 minutes. And then we'll see. We're going to cook pasta meanwhile. And then just put everything together. Water's almost boiling. I'm just too impatient. I'm going to salt it generously. Nicely, and then I have this beautiful pasta. You can use any kind of pasta that you guys have. I just hold back. All right, I'm gonna stir that. I'm sure you guys know how to cook pasta. You have to make sure that you stir it really nice, and let it boil and cook for about 12 minutes. Right? We can do 12 minutes. So just, read the directions on the package. I'm gonna check our pasta. Whew, that looks good. I think should be good. Whew, hot. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna strain that beautiful pasta. Okay, 35 minutes later. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. This is so beautiful. Let me just check the garlic. Oh, it's just kind of popping out. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna mix this with our pasta now. I want to get rid of these thyme, guys, right? And you can also like get rid of the garlic peel. You just kind of squeeze that, and the garlic pops out right in, and you can get rid of the skin. So that's all the work we're gonna do here. Or you can just leave it and then just kind of mash the feta and the tomatoes. Whatever comes out easy, you can get rid of it. It has a lot of oil in it right now, and then at the end we're just gonna add like fresh thyme, because we need some fresh flavors and some color. And okay, are you ready? Are you ready? All right, we're gonna put this pasta in. Okay, and because it's not too big, we can just do kind of gradually and just kind of mix it. Oh. And fresh thyme. Just gonna you know, cut it and do the other way. All right, let's get those two, because we need these fresh colors and fresh flavors. And then we're gonna taste that. Yes, so luscious. I'm not a big pasta fan, but when I made this first time a couple of weeks ago for my photo shoot and I tasted, I thought it was fantastic. So good. Oh my god, out of this world, really. Like the thyme and the garlic, and the garlic, roasted garlic, creates kind of the sauce. You don't really taste garlic, but because when you cook garlic, it kind of turns into this sweet, kind of saucy, mushy thing. So it's delicious. And guys, I wanted to show you my cookbook. It's called Around the Georgian Table. This is Georgian cookbook. I have about 120 Georgian recipes here. Georgian soups and appetizers and all the walnut pesto things and sauces and a little bit of dessert. So I'm gonna put the link down below where if anybody's interested, you can purchase it through my website. I'm very excited and very happy about it today. So yeah, I guess that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.